Bonnie, happy Tuesday! Check it out! I got my Yankee Candle semi-annual sale haul. It's not a big haul, but it just makes me happy. I'm going to dig into my box here. I have not even opened it, so this is a true unboxing. I don't even remember what I bought, honestly. I'm like, I have no idea what's in this box. Okay, we have a receipt. We have some paper. We have lots of paper. We'll get rid of the paper. Okay. I got a candle. I think I got a candle. Oh, I know what I got. I know what I got now. I'm so excited. Thank you, Philly Candleman. If you have not checked out Philly Candleman, go check him out. I will put the link to his channel below. I saw on Instagram that Yankee Candle brought back the Mayor Lemon candle for semi-annual sale, and I didn't see it at first. If Philly Candleman hadn't posted it, I would have known. So, oh my gosh, this is one, oh my gosh, of my favorite Yankee candles ever. I love Mayor Lemon. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I could just literally smell this wax all day. Oh, I'm so happy I got Mayor Lemon. I like these old jar styles so much, too. Look at how pretty that is. I think Yankee needs to go back to those other jar styles. I don't like the new jar styles so much. Everything else in here is pretty tiny, but that was my big favorite piece. I got some wax melts. What's up with this, Yankee? It's open. Oh my gosh, this is a movie night cocoa. I swear this set, you guys, always has an issue. I can't even smell it. Okay, so I haven't gotten their single wax melts in a really long time. Check it out. This is what they look like. Okay, I got that one. The other ones look like they're sealed. I got, what did I get? I got Cafe Al Fresco. I'm going to spell Cafe Al Fresco. I don't like these packages too much. I don't know why. They're kind of weird. Not bad. This is a little bit like Bath & Body Works whipped coffee, but this is what the melts look like. I got these for like $1 each. I got Harvest. Oh my gosh, Harvest is like one of my all-time Yankee scents. And then I got Cider House. So I got 4 of those. And then I got one of the bigger fragrance melts. This is the 6-pack. This is Pecan Pie Bites. I'm like, Pecan Pie Bites. That sounds kind of good. I don't even know how to open this. How does it open? One of them was open, and then this one I can't. I gotta figure this one out. I have no idea how to open that. And then I got one of the gel tins. I have no idea what the gel tin is. What do you do with these? It's high intensity fragrance, spill proof. What do you do with these? Do you just set them around? I can't even open it, you guys. Oh my gosh, these are horrible to open. Oh, that smells good. I'm assuming you just set this around your house and it gives off a scent. I'm going to have to look at this a little bit more. Okay, next up, I did want this. I got the Illumilid. Check this out. I got the Illumilid with the apples on it. I thought that was cute. I like to have a Yankee Illumilid around so I can put it on my single wicks. Not the single wick, but the single wick large jars. I hate calling these a single wick because single wick to me is like the tiny candle. But Yankee large jars do have a single wick, but they burn better if you put the Illumilid on. Next up, check it out. I got one of their, what do they call them? The scent plug diffusers. How cute is that? This is actually really cute with the hot chocolate. And then I got some votives. I thought I got votives. Where are my scissors? I got a whole bunch of stuff in here that I have no recollection of ordering. I'm like, what did I order? I did get some votives. Okay, they put them in a little pouch this time. I got Santa's cookies. Smells good. I got, what is this one? Lovely Lavender. This has no scent. It could be the tiny one. I mean, I've noticed that these votives don't have a lot of scent, especially with the plastic on. There's a little hole, but you can't smell them that well. Woodland Road Trip. This one's strong. I like Woodland Road Trip. And then I got Cozy Cabin Escape. This one's pretty strong too. But like the all-time favorite thing that I got in this box, I am so happy that I have a Mayor Lemon candle in my possession. That is awesome. I love that. I'm going to get rid of the box. Not a bad haul. I want to say I paid, let me see. So if you're a member of their Yankee, I don't know what it is. It's like their Friends Club or something. What is it called? It's basically their rewards program. I always get free shipping on $25 with them, which is really, really nice because sometimes you don't want to do a huge order, and getting the $25 free shipping price point is really, really nice. Let me look at my order history here. I just want to see what I paid. Why isn't this in here? That is so weird. I swear, everyone is messing up order histories. And I think it has something to do with when you pay by PayPal. Now, the last order I have for Yankee was the festive tote that's showing. I have no order history of this order at Yankee, which is really, really strange. Because remember I was saying Bath & Body Works, we've had some same of those anomalies where you order something, you pay by PayPal, and the entire order disappears. And a lot of people have been saying that, not just me. And I'm wondering if it's something with paying with PayPal. I think I'm going to actually go back to paying with a credit card because this is becoming a little bit too frequent for me, especially with Bath & Body Works losing my orders. But I believe I spent like $30 and then I had a $5 reward. So I got all of this stuff for $25, which was a good deal. So definitely check out the Yankee Candle semi-annual sale. It is still going on. They still have some stuff in stock. I don't know if they have the Mayor Lemon. Let me look to see if they have this one, because that was definitely, I think that was like the deal. Let me see if those are sold out or not. I was so happy I got one. Mayor Lemon. It's funny too, because on the website, they're not showing a picture, and it is in stock. Add to bag. You can get that. So this is my big recommendation for the Yankee semi-annual sale. I'm so excited. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.